Hello and welcome back. I'm going to do another Biggie song. Next most famous one is Juicy. Okay, this album's dedicated to all the teachers who never amounted to nothing, told me I'd never amount to nothing. What does he play? He plays A major to B, just like that, easy. That's the first one. And then we go up to A again, C sharp minor, B and A again. So that's it. That's basically the whole song. You could play the B over an F sharp in the bass. Quite nice. And then you got to rap it too, because it's just so good. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every day, Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Marley Marl. Quite hard to do both. I let my tape rock till my tape popped. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. That always comes in on 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 1. It always comes on bar 2, beat 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and then on the second time round, don't forget 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2. Where does it come in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Does that come in on 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, just 2, 3, 4, 1. Just comes in on beat 2, 2, 3, 4, and then back to 1. So they're just on the beat. Everything on the beat. Where was I? I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping juke the ha da ha. You never thought that hip hop would scroll it up, would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to read sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Starsky. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the crib, same number, same hood. And if you don't know, well now you know. You can put the 9 on the A major there. You know very well who you are. Don't let them hold you down. Well, reach for the stars. You had to go, but not that many. But you're the only one. I'll give you good and I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robbie Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé, okay, and girls and women and cars and money and chains and electronic gadgets and the Sega Genesis. I couldn't picture this. Big old TVs, leather sofa. That's about it for today. That's Juicy. It's just a couple chords. You can make it funky, look. Oops. Meant to hit an E there. When you play the B there, you can play major, it sounds like a Michael Jackson song. Can't remember which one. Is it? You get the idea. Easy song, good fun. That's Juicy. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Between the Keys. Next time, what will I do next time? Tune in next time. I might do some more MJ tunes. I might do the word is out, you're doing wrong. But let me know if you want to hear Bad. Beat It too. Bruno Mars, going to do some Bruno Mars tunes. James Brown, basically all of it, all the best stuff. So stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.